Hey guys, it's been a while since I did a unboxing. This came in November 2nd of Thursday. I didn't get a chance to do a unboxing because I was really busy on that day. And today I will be starting it. Biggest package, I think there's about 6 items in here. Of course I went through Vancouver Customs because it had to. Look at all that shenanigans. Well, let's get on it. Open up the box, see what's in it, and yeah, let's go. Yes. Alright, so here we go with the box. We'll pretty much start it by opening it with a pencil. I don't know where I put my scissors or my knife at all. So I'm going to be using a pencil. Okay, biggest box ever. Whee! Pretty much this is all from October's shipping. So all the orders are here. I think I should start showing my room instead, or the other backgrounds instead of this background, the floor. If the relics that said. So, piece of paper that says what I have in here. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stuff. 6. Sorry guys, I won't be able to show you guys that, but yeah. 6 stuff. And the first thing we see here is a big box. What is it? Maybe you guys figured it out. Maybe you guys already know. Just by looking at it. This way. Sailor Moon. Posters of the new season. I'll be pretty much opening up this. So watch that on my next video if you guys want. Be posted somewhere around there later. But yeah. I'll be opening up that. Show everybody. Another box. What is in here? Well, we'll take a look after I finish up opening up this box. Poster. And another poster. Well, that's it for that unboxing. Don't worry about my stuff here. Jesus, guys. Jesus. Just lazy to change. Well, let's start with this box. Oh wait, I should just go with this first. So pretty much this is what I got. So pretty much this is all the stuff I got. I will be showing you guys all of it. Starting with this one. Legend of Zelda Link. I should change that focus real quick. There we go. In Ninaroid. Link number 413 from Zelda in, what was this one again from? Shoot. I think it was Wind Waker. Wind Waker. There you go. Wind Waker? I don't even remember myself. Damn. Fail. But yeah. Here's Link. The box. Oh, it is Wind Waker. What do you know? Damn. Even though I'm a fan of Legend of Zelda, I even forgot where this version's from. Has 2 different faces. His shield, his sword, and his heart. Pretty much it. Won't be opening this, obviously. Maybe in the future, if I have any cases to put in. Let's go with the next one. White packaging. White packaging. Whee! Right. Just let me just slowly open this up because it's wrapped up pretty good here. Okay, there you go. anybody heard of this anime, which is pretty much type of last year's, Shiro from No Game No Life. Everybody's pretty much favorite anime when it first came out. Had 12 episodes, and we're waiting for next year for it. But yeah, God, I wanted this so bad when it first came out, and it's finally here. But I wish I could open it up, but I'm leaving it in the box because I have no cases to put them in. And I wish I did. If I had a case, I would take them all out. Mostly my collection, but yeah, leaving it in the box still looks nice, except for the part where they're trapped in here. Yeah, no toys likes to be trapped in here. But yeah, Shiro from No Game No Life. Ah, so good. Okay, I'll put that on the side now. And this big box, which I'll open it from this little hole right here. Fate Extra. I would say it's one of the better versions since they came out with a different Fate Extra. I actually kind of like this one, even though it's not made by Good Smile. Made by Kotobukiya. So yeah, pretty much. I still love it. It's a Fate series. So yeah, I'm missing two technically. Yes, the one with the bike, which was from Fate Zero, which I should have bought instead of saying don't buy it. It's standing at 1/7 scale, which is like about 23 centimeters high, and I don't remember how much meters it is, but yeah, one of my favorite characters of all. And there's still another Fate Extra that's coming out, actually made by Good Smile, which I can't wait, which is like what, next year, so January I think. That, for me to even show you guys that would be like what, February at most. But yeah, shoot. Fate Extra. Beautiful, just beautiful. And of course we have Sailor Moon posters, which I will be opening up on my other video after I finish this one. So look forward to it. Yeah. This is a poster. I think I will open this up later with the posters that are over there with Sailor Moon. So this is the picture of it is right now, and this is the poster itself. I can't wait to open it up and check it out. And it even has a sticker that says it's official. And where is this all from? Well, it's all from No Game No Life. Yep. So yeah, that's what I have today, guys. Sorry for the long delays because of the monthly shipping. I think there's gonna be a few more stuff coming in someday in a couple months from now, or this month I should say. So yeah, look forward to watching that. Don't forget to like the video if you guys like the video. Subscribe if you guys want to see more videos of this. And yeah, check it out. See you guys later. Oh yeah, one more thing before I go. One of these comments or down here should be a video for the poster openings. So yeah, see you guys later. Peace.